Oui, bonsoir. Bonsoir à tous.
Ouais, bonjour.
Nous commençons la cour.
Bonsoir.
So, yes. So, what we discussed in the morning class, we discussed about the adverb. Adverb is completed now. So, what new topic has to be discussed right away? Okay, so we have discussed adjectives and adverbs. So now we can discuss about comparative form. Now we can discuss about comparative form. Okay, comparative form. How to compare the things. Okay, la comparison. How can you compare the things? How can you compare the individuals? Okay, so about the comparative degree. So can you give me an example of the comparative degree? How can you compare in English?
So when we say more than or less than,
Right. More
so
than, lesser than. Okay, something. Okay, like he is
yes.
more intelligent than you. Okay, he is more intelligent than you. Okay, my brother is taller than him. Okay, when you're comparing them on the quality, on the basis of their qualities. Okay, etc. So we will discuss this thing now. I'm just sharing my screen to show you the comparative form. Okay. So you can see it now. La comparaison. It's visible to you now.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
La comparaison. La comparaison. The comparison. Okay. The comparison. How can you compare the things? Okay. Comparing two people. Okay. Comparing two individuals and the two objects. Okay. How it is possible in French. Okay. In English we are aware of this. Okay. But in French we have to know it. So here we can compare many things around us on the basis of their colors, shapes, size, qualities. Okay, qualities or and also the quantities. It is not again qualities and the quantities, etc. But in broader way, we can classify them under two categories. Okay, we can we have the comparison of qualities and quantities. Okay, we can compare the things on the basis of their qualities, how they are. Okay, and we can compare the things on the basis of their quantities, how they have. Okay, how much they have. Okay, like he is more intelligent than you. Okay, about the qualities. Okay, she's taller than you. It's quality. Okay, then the quantity. Okay, she has as many dresses as her. Okay, she has as many dresses as her. Okay, about quantity. Okay, uh, they have as many books as you. Okay, they have as many books as you. So we can compare their things on the basis of their qualities and as well as the quantities. Okay, so here about la comparative. Okay, comparative form. La comparative, comparative, la comparaison, la même chose, the same thing. Okay, la comparaison de qualité, comparison of qualities. The comparison can be done on three levels. Okay, under comparison of qualities. Okay, la superiority. Okay, when things are in superior form, more than. Okay, so we can compare on three levels. La superiority is about when the things are in the superior form. Okay, like more than. Legalite, equality. Equality is when the things are in equal form. Like superiority is about he is He's taller than you. Okay, it's about superior form. Legality is equal form. When the things can be compared in their equal form, for example, he is as tall as you. Okay, he is as tall as you. Okay, they are as gentle as you. When you are comparing the individuals, when you're comparing the things, okay, on their equal, when they are having the equal quantity, equal qualities, okay. So number 3 is here inferiority, inferiority. Okay, inferiority, inferiority. When inferiority is what? It's opposite of superiority. Superiority. When things are in lesser form, okay, in lesser form like lesser than, okay, lesser than, less than, less than. For example, he is less polite than you. He is less polite you. Okay, he is less polite than you. Okay, and we can take more examples like. Okay, these questions are less difficult. These questions are less difficult. Okay, than those questions. Okay, these questions are less difficult. Okay, than those questions. So I think it's clear now how comparison can be done on 3 levels: on superior level, on equal level, and on inferior level.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next slide, superiority, superior form. How to make a sentence? More than. More plus adjective adverb plus ka, which is more than. Okay. How do we say more in French? Plus. Plus is more. Then you have to put here adjective adverb, then ka. Ka is then. Example here, Pierre est plus grand que Luc. So Pierre is the name of a boy and Luc is the name of another boy. Okay, Pierre is one of the boy and Luc is another boy. So Pierre est plus grand que Luc. So meaning is here, Pierre is plus grand. Plus grand is more tall. Pierre is more tall than Luc. A very literal transition, word to word transition. Because in why we are saying more tall? Because we can't say in French taller. Okay, we can't say higher. These forms doesn't exist in French. These forms exist in English. Okay, instead of saying okay taller, we have to say more tall. Okay, instead of saying higher, we have to say more high. Instead of saying larger, we have to say more large. Okay, instead of saying greater, we have to say more great. So I think it's clear now how we can use plus.
Yes.
Plus plus adjective. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Pierre est plus grand que Luc. Pierre is taller than. Okay. Grand is what? In size. Okay. In height. So Pierre is taller than Luc. Pierre is more tall than Luc. Pierre is more tall than Luc, which is Pierre is taller than Luc. Okay. Number 2. Ma sœur est plus méchante que ta sœur. My sister is more mischievous.
Evil.
Okay. More mischievous than your sister. Yeah, my sister is méchante is also mischievous and naughty. Or we can say my sister is naughtier. My sister is naughtier than your sister. So I hope the first form is clear now. The superior form, more than. Plus plus adjective or adverb plus curve. It's clear now?
Yes,
Say
sir.
Claire?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Atulmon. Tulmon, everybody. Okay, Tulmon. Wait. Okay, so second form, legality. Equality. Equal form, as. Okay, as quality plus as. How do you say as? OC. OC is also, but it is here in comparative form as. OC is as, adjective plus or adverb plus ka. Okay, ka is here, not then, it is here as. Okay. वैभव एतोसी बवार्थ Aniket. Il na saret pa da pahle. So what is the meaning here? So they are comparing Vaibhav and Aniket. How? In this example, the qualities of the Vaibhav and Aniket, okay, they are being compared. They are being compared. How? Vaibhav is as Bavard. What is Bavard? Talkative.
Talkative.
Chatterbox or talkative. Okay. Vaibhav is as talkative as chatterbox. Okay. As Aniket. Okay. क्या बोला जा रहा है? अनिकेत वैभव उतना ही ओके टॉकेटिव है, उतना ही बातू नहीं जितना कि अनिकेत. एज इक्वल. ओके. एज इक्वल. ओके. वैभव इज एज इक्वल सॉरी एज टॉकेटिव एज चैटरबॉक्स एज अनिकेत. In the Saret Pada Parle, they don't stop talking. In the Saret Pada Parle, Saret is reflexive verb, pronominal verb, which is about to stop. Okay, in the Saret Pada Parle, they don't stop speaking. So they speak continuously. Okay, now next example, OD A to C share ka BMW. You can see here the two cars, okay, the two branded cars, two luxurious cars, okay, two luxurious cars, they are being compared. OD is being compared with BMW car, okay. ODA to C share ka BMW. So what's the meaning?
Audi is as expensive as
Not
BMW.
expensive as BMW.
Right. Okay. So OD car, OD is as expensive as BMW. Okay. It's about legality equal form. Okay. So the third form is there. Inferiority. Okay. Inferiority. Inferior. Okay. Inferior. Lower degree. Okay. Lower degree. So mua plus adjective adverb plus ka, which is lesser than, which is less than. Okay. Example, mon frère est moi travailleur ka mon cousin. Travailleur is the quality adjective. Travailleur is what? Hard working. Travailleur is hard working. So my brother is mon frère est moi travailleur ka mon cousin. My brother is less hard working. My brother is less hard working than my cousin. My brother is less hard working than my cousin. Next example, Lakshay est moins sportif que Lakshita. Lakshay est moins sportif que Lakshita. Sportif. What's a sportif? It's quality. Sporty.
Athletic.
Who loves playing sports. Okay, somebody who's sporty. Lakshay est moins sportif que Lakshita. Lakshay est moins sportif que Lakshita. Lakshay is less sporty than Lakshita. Lakshay is less sporty than Lakshita. Okay, it's about inferior form, inferiority. Okay, lesser than. Okay, less than. So what three forms we have done? Flu plus adjective plus ka, flu plus adjective adverb plus ka, which is more than. The second form we discuss about equal form, which is OC plus adjective adverb plus ka, which is as. And the third form we discuss about inferior form, which is lesser than, less than. More plus adjective adverb plus ka, which is less than. Okay. So we have discussed these three forms. Now we move to the next part there about comparative irregular. Here in the table, what you can see irregular comparative form. Like in English, you have irregular form like good. For example, good. You can't say more good. Good, we know the first part, okay, and the comparative form will not be more good. Why? It's irregular form exception. Instead of saying more good, you have the form better. Okay, you have the better. Okay, in the same way, when you say bad, you can't say more bad. What do you say? What do you say in English for bad, for comparative form?
Worse.
Worse.
So you could
Worst.
say, you can say worse. Okay, which is the comparative form. We are not talking about the superlative form, but we are focusing on the second form, which is the comparative form. Okay, so here you can see bon and pia. Bon and bien. The meaning is same. Good. Bon is good, bien is also good, but how can you differentiate them? Bon is good and bien is which is also good. Sometimes it is well or irregular comparative. Okay. Bon is somebody about the quality. Okay. Bon is somebody about the as an adverb. Okay, as an adverb. Like he is a good boy. He is a good boy. So you'll use bon. Okay. When you're saying he behaves very well. He behaves very well. Okay. How he is behaving? How is the mode? How is the mode of his behavior? It's very well. Okay. How is behaving? In what mode? In what mode of action he will be behaving? So it is bien. Okay. As an adjective it is bon. As an adverb it will be bien. Okay. So bon is good, bien is good, but sometimes it is also well. Okay. So bon is good. First form, bon is also good. Bon is also good, and bon is also good. But why they have the different forms here? Bon, and s with bon here. How this change? How they are having different forms?
So,
The meaning is same.
so BON is for masculine singular, BONNE is for feminine singular, BONS is for masculine plural, and the last one is for feminine plural.
Right. Sonal is correct now. The first one, boy, is for male and singular form. When you're saying good boy, when you say good boy, so born. When you say good girl, so BONNE born. Okay, but BONS is for male and plural form. Like you say good boys, good boys. So born, BONS born, but the sound is here born. Then born, BONS is for feminine and plural form, like good girls. So born. So meaning is good, and comparative form will be better. So how do you find? Okay, it's Meyer, MEILLER, MEILLER, Meyer. Okay, when you say this boy is better, so Meyer. When you put E in Meyer, it is for feminine form. The second form Meyer, and third form is Meyer. When you put S, when you saying when this girl is better, so Meyer, second form. When you say these boys are better, these boys, it's masculine plural form, so you will choose third form Meyer. When you're saying these girls are better, so you have to put es. So there are very small changes that you can do in Meyer. Okay, क्या करना है आपको? What you need to do? For female form, just put e. For plural form, put s. For male plural form, s. For female plural form, just put es. Okay, but meaning is same. Meyer, the sound is same. Meyer. No effect on the sound. Okay, the sound is same. The meaning is same. Better. Okay, but we are using them. We are using these varieties of form as per the gender and number of the noun. Okay. So born Meyer. Okay. Good, better. Same thing. Same meaning. So I think you understood now about bon and bien, about comparative irregular comparative forms. Have you understood?
Yes.
Oui, vous avez bien
Yes, sir.
compris?
Yes, sir.
Oui, c'est très bien, oui. Et alors, nous nous dépêchons, nous nous déplaçons, OK, au diapo prochain. OK, we are moving to the next slide now. Here, bien, OK, bien is good or well. Well का क्या होता है? Better. OK, about as an adverb. It's not adjective, it is adverb here. For example, Elshon Mia Kosonami. Elshon Mia Kosonami. She sings better than her friend. Okay. She sings good. She sings good. That is better. She sings better than her friend. It is Mia. So can you observe here? We don't have multiple forms. We have only one single form, which is better, which is Mia only. It doesn't matter. Okay, whatever gender and number of the noun is given there. Okay. We have only single form, which is better, which is Mia. Okay, but don't get confused between Meyer and Meyer. Remember, when born form is there, that is Meyer, that is Meyer. When born is given, it is Meyer. Okay, but when BA is given, it is Meyer. Okay, you have to be sure about that. Okay. Tu parles mieux le français que l'anglais. You speak better French than English. Okay. So it is showing about the mode of the action, how somebody is speaking, how somebody is performing the action. Okay, in what way. Okay, next exception is here, mouffe. What's the meaning of mouffe?
Bad.
Bad. So you have to learn here words. Okay. La comparati, the superiority, the mouffe, a peer, form, d'insistance, a plus mouffe. Okay. The comparative or superiority of bad is peer. Okay. It is mentioned here. Bad का क्या होता है? Worse होता है. Okay. Movie is bad and peer is worse. Okay. Form d'insistance. Okay. A form, for example, for instance, this form is, for example, a plus mouffe. Okay. And it is for, sometimes it is also more bad, but you hardly use plus mouffe. Okay, but we avoid it, plus mouffe. So mouffe, 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 mouffe. You can see here different forms as per the gender number of the noun. Mouffe, male singular form. Mouffe, female singular form. Mouffe, male and plural form. Mouffe, female plural form. So peer, 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 peer. Sound is same. Peer first form, male singular form. Second form, female singular form. Third form, male plural form. Fourth form, female plural form. Peer. Sound is same, peer, which is worse. So mouffe, peer. Mouffe, peer. Example here, Peshawar, so peer ka Peshawar. What's the meaning here? His or her hair are worse than your hair. Okay? His or her hair are worse than your hair. So peer. Because here are plural. Here are plural. That's why P-I-R-E-S, not P-I-R-E. So here P-I-R-E-S. Okay? Set om, so peer ka, sorry, it is not set om. Se pom, so peer ka se pom don to sak. These apples are worse than, okay, these apples in a bag. Okay, because apples are female plural form, that's why peer. Okay, after this now we move to the next part, which is comparison of quantity. Okay, we have discussed about the comparison of the qualities of the noun. Okay, and they can be objects. Okay, or they can be individuals. They can be living beings or non-living beings. Okay, so the comparison of the quantities can be done on 3 levels. Okay, again same thing, superiority, superiority, legality, equality, and inferiority, inferiority. Okay, so pehla superiority, inferiority, and legality. Superiority, inferiority, and the equality. 3 levels are there for the comparison of quantity. So noun, okay, noun, the superiority, inferiority, plus the, more the, plus noun plus ka. Okay, what does it mean here? More of, less of, noun plus ka. अब यहाँ पे आपको noun की जरूरत होगा. Why do we require noun? Because you are comparing the things. Okay, you are comparing the quantity of things. Okay, you can't compare the quantity. Sorry, you can't compare. You can't. What I wanted to say.
So we can't compare the quantity.
There can't be the quantities of the qualities. Okay, there can't be the quantities of the qualities. So there can't be the quantities of the things. Okay. अब ये नहीं बोल सकते उसके पास 2 क्वालिटीज है. Okay, उसके पास 2 क्वालिटीज है. He has 2 qualities of how to say, he has 2 qualities of gentle. It is not possible to say. You can say he has 2 okay, he has many books, sorry, he has more books than you. Okay, they have more shirts than him. Okay, so you can compare the quantities. If somebody was raising the hand to ask something,
Sir, as in the English, we have 3 degrees of adjectives. So in the French, we have only 2.
which one you talking about, Mohit? Again,
Uh,
repeat your question.
so like in the English language, we have 3 degrees of adjectives.
Like, which one? You can tell me.
So the first one is which is the highest. It is the superlatives, and the second
First
one
is
is the,
okay. First is the general form. Second degree is the comparative degree,
yes,
and
sir.
third degree is the superlative. But we are not doing superlative in
Yes, sir.
English. Because in English it was very simple. Okay, like okay, fast, faster, faster. It was very simple. Small, smaller, smallest. Okay, you're talking about these things.
Yes, yes, sir.
Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. These things, and they were
So
in English very simple, but in French, these are the concepts. These are the deep concepts, and they have to be. They have been categorized. Okay, they have been categorized separately. Okay, they have a separate section here. Okay,
yes, sir.
because they have more details, because they are more detailed and they have more varieties here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so they are more of noun plus than or less plus noun plus than. Okay, more than or less than, but noun should be there. Because you are comparing the quantities of the noun. You are not comparing the quantities of the qualities. You are comparing the quantities of the things, the quantities of the noun. Okay, so for example, Elia plu detudion dola class ka lakulwa. So there are plu detudion. Can you see here etudion? Etudion is what?
Students.
Students, and they are not qualities. Students are the noun. Okay, they are noun here. So there are more students in the class than the couloir. What's the meaning of couloir? Corridor. Okay, corridor. So there are more students in the class than the corridor. Okay. Number two, Master aplu darshon kama prayer. My sister has more arjon. What's the meaning of arjon?
Money.
Money. Pepper. Okay. My sister has more money than my brother. My sister has more money than my brother. Okay. Arjun is noun, not quality. It's a noun. Okay. Here legality quality. Auto the plus noun plus ka, which is as much as, or as many as. Okay. As many as. It's about equal comparison. About the equal comparison. Okay. Vaibhav a auto the livro. Auto the livro. Sorry, you have to put here as also in livro. Okay. I have to correct it now here. Okay. Otherwise, you will get confused here. Okay. So again, I'm sharing my screen to show you the same file. Okay. I don't know why I'm not able to share the same file twice. Okay. Because this happened in the last class also. when I share my the same file, okay, the second time also I couldn't share it. I don't know why team is not accepting to share the same file. Okay, why it is happening here?
Then you can share screen as well.
Because previously I could share it, but now why is the difficulty? What was the name of the slide? La comparison. I'm just trying with another file here. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But why I was not able to share that file, the same file? Okay, I try again now. Yes, now it's possible. So we discuss about this part. Okay, equal quantity, equal quality. वैभव होतो the livre the français का the longley. Vaibhav has as many books, as many French books than English ones. Okay, than the English books. Okay, so equal quality, equal quantity. Vaibhav has as many books, as many French books than. Sorry, this is wrong translation. Vaibhav has as many French books as English books. Okay. Number two, il y a autant de garçons que de filles. There are as many boys as girls. Okay. Equal quantity. Autant de plus noun plus the. Okay, now verb plus plus moi autant de plus ka, which is Vaibhav a to the moi ka bon. Vaibhav studies less than before. Okay, Vaibhav studies less than before. Je mange moins que toi. I eat lesser than you. I eat lesser than you. Okay, moins ka is lesser than, and plus ka is more than. Okay, exercise here. You will try these questions now. So you'll have to just put the pluka, more the, auto the, OC plus noun plus OC, auto the plus noun plus ka. Okay, so I think you're able to these questions now. Ramanus A dash
Yes.
bo ka Ritul. So what you have to do in this exercise? You can see different signs are there. Plus, minus, equal to. What have to be done in this exercise? If plus is given, it is plus. When minus is there given, it is minus moi. When equal to is given, it can be OC or OTODA. But how do you confirm? Equal to plus adjective, it is OC. Equal to plus noun, it is OTO. For example, Ramanus A dash bo curricle. How will you solve this question now? What should be answer?
The plus and in next
The
bracket
plus
co.
Ramanus A plus PLUS. Plus bo, then
Ka.
Ritul.
Ramanus A plus bo curricle. Ramanus is more handsome. Ramanus is more handsome than Ritul. Okay. आपको क्या लगाना है यहाँ पे, प्लस लगाना है, एंड बो विल कम आउट ऑफ द ब्रैकेट. प्लू बो का, प्लू प्लस बो का. ओके. नंबर 2, एल्थरवाई प्लस रामी. Now no adjective, no adverb is given here. It is only plus. So what will you write here?
Flu.
Only plu. More than. When single plus minus sign is there. So plu ka or mua ka. Altroi plu kami. So she was more than her friend. Okay. So you will try this question now. Okay. I'm just giving you 5 minutes. Okay. You will try these questions within 5 minutes. We'll discuss answers later on. So I hope you have all the questions now. So we'll discuss answers now. Okay. Yes. So question number 3 now. Also minus a to the intelligent.
Muada.
Mua
Mua.
intelligent. But you have to put the agreement also. Intelligent. You have to put something in the intelligent. What do you need to put
So
there?
we have
Intelligent.
Yes. Yes.
Right. Because else are feminine. Okay. Intelligent will become also feminine plural. Else are feminine plural. So intelligent में क्या लगाना है आपको? es. Else of mua intelligent. Es. Kika say what is their kuza. So they are less intelligent than their cousins. Okay. Paris A equal to share dash Marseille.
Aussie.
OC share, right? OC share का Marseille. Paris is as expensive as Marseille. Marseille is a city in France, in south part of France. Okay. Francine a dash chocolat dash Jacques.
Autant.
Autumn.
Autant da plus ka. Okay. Francine has as many chocolates as Jacques. Ma maison est dash confortable dash ton appartement. Plus comfortable.
Possible.
So it should be plus confortable than
Your apartment.
He.
QUE. My house is more comfortable than your apartment. Okay. Mon professor est dash severe dash ton professor. My professor is less severe. Severe is strict. My professor is less strict than your professor. So
More.
moins sévère que QE. My professor is less strict than your professor. Le français dash a dash intéressant que l'anglais. Ka is already given there. So equal to
Aussie.
OC, right? So French is as interesting as English. Okay. So you have already given these answers. I hope comparative form is clear now. It's clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Oui.
sir.
Oui, c'est ça clair, d'accord. Oui, très bien. Et maintenant, je vais vous montrer une petite vidéo, okay, sur le sujet de la comparaison. So I'm going to show you the small video on the comparative form, okay. So that will also okay, help you out to understand, okay, the comparative form and to improve your pronunciation, okay, and to improve your pronunciation as well. Okay, let me know whether you are able to see it and it's visible
en classe.
to you. You are able to hear the sound. It's visible and visible.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here is the comparative form. Faire the comparison, doing the comparison. Okay, comparative superlative form is not there. It's about comparative form here. Okay. So here is the video, and after the video, you can have a comment on the video. Okay, in English.
Bonjour à tous. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous faire une petite vidéo sur la comparaison. Cette vidéo va être divisée en 5 parties. La première partie, ça sera apprendre à comparer des qualités, puis vous apprendrez à comparer des quantités. Nous verrons ensuite les comparatifs et superlatifs irréguliers, mieux, meilleur, pire. Puis la comparaison renforcée avec un adverbe. Et enfin, les superlatifs, le plus, le moins, les meilleurs, etc., etc. Alors, commençons par la comparaison des qualités. Nous pouvons comparer, par exemple, deux villes, Lyon et Bordeaux. Un Lyonnais, c'est-à-dire une personne qui habite à Lyon, dirait Lyon est une ville plus jolie que Bordeaux. Un Bordelais, au contraire, dirait Lyon est une ville moins jolie que Bordeaux. Ou d'une façon objective, on peut dire Lyon est une ville aussi jolie que Bordeaux. Donc nous avons les comparateurs plus, aussi, moins, que. Nous pouvons comparer maintenant deux voitures sportives, et dire que la voiture jaune va plus vite que la voiture rouge. La voiture jaune va aussi vite que la voiture rouge. Et enfin, la voiture jaune va moins vite que la voiture rouge. Donc, je voulais juste vous faire remarquer que pour comparer des qualités, on utilise plus, aussi, moins que, avec un adjectif, joli, eh bien un adjectif qui qualifie la ville de Lyon, et également plus, aussi, moins, avec un adverbe. Vite est un adverbe qui qualifie le verbe aller. La voiture jaune va vite, va plus vite, va aussi vite ou moins vite que la voiture rouge. Donc on compare les qualités avec des adjectifs ou des adverbes et on utilise les comparateurs plus que, moins que et aussi que. Attention toutefois, lorsque je parle de qualité dans le sens grammatical. Je vais prendre un exemple. Si je compare le français Bernard Arnault à l'américain Bill Gates, je peux dire Bernard Arnault est plus riche que Bill Gates. Dans cette phrase, je compare bien une qualité avec l'adjectif riche, même si peut-être que pour vous, être riche n'est pas une qualité en soi. Voilà. Donc ce sont des qualités d'un point de vue grammatical. Voyons la comparaison des quantités maintenant, avec deux villes, toujours Bordeaux et Toulouse. Alors, vous savez peut-être que les deux villes du sud-ouest entretiennent une rivalité historique. Je vais dire Bordeaux a plus d'habitants que Toulouse, ou Bordeaux a autant d'habitants que Toulouse. Enfin, Bordeaux a moins d'habitants que Toulouse. Habitant est un nom. Autre exemple, Valérie travaille plus que Vanessa, Valérie travaille moins que Vanessa, ou Valérie travaille autant que Vanessa. Là aussi, je compare une quantité. Et je compare la quantité avec le verbe travailler. Un petit récapitulatif, on compare les quantités avec des noms ou des verbes. Et on utilise les comparateurs plus, autant et moins. Ce qu'il faut retenir, je pense, c'est que pour les comparatifs d'égalité, on utilise aussi pour comparer les qualités et autant de ou autant des apostrophes pour comparer des quantités. Alors, je vais reprendre tous mes exemples et je vais vous demander de bien écouter. Il y a une chose intéressante. Valérie travaille plus que Vanessa. Bordeaux a plus d'habitants que Toulouse. Lyon est plus joli que Bordeaux. Bernard Arnault est plus riche que Bill Gates.
Okay, so using this example here, Valerie travaille plus que Vanessa. So Valerie works, okay, more than Vanessa. Okay, Bordeaux a plus d'habitants que Toulouse. Bordeaux has more habitants. Okay, habitants are somebody who is living in a place. Okay, who is living in a place. Inhabitants. Okay, so Bordeaux has more habitants, more population. Okay, more population. Okay, than Toulouse, which is the city in France. Bordeaux is a city and Toulouse is another city. Okay, Lyon est plus joli que Bordeaux. Lyon is joli. Joli is prettier. Okay, so Lyon is prettier than Bordeaux. Lyon is a city and Bordeaux is another city in France. Okay, so plus joli, prettier. Okay, Bernard Arnault est plus riche que Bill Gates. Bernard Arnault is plus richer than Bill Gates. Okay, these are the examples of comparative form that you could see in the video.
Vous entendez? Si vous êtes observateur, vous avez entendu.
Okay, so we move to the next part. Now, comparative irregular comparative forms here.
Comparatifs irréguliers maintenant. Je peux comparer deux vins. Je vais dire par exemple, le vin de Gaillac est bon, mais le Beaujolais est meilleur. Je ne suis pas sûr que ce soit vrai, mais ce n'est pas grave.
Okay, so they're comparing here. Okay, the wine here. The wine of Gaillac is good, but the Beaujolais is the famous wine in France, is better. So meilleur is what? Irregular form. Okay, the wine of Gaillac is good, but okay, Beaujolais wine is meilleur is better. Okay.
C'est juste pour prendre un exemple. Donc, meilleur correspond à l'adjectif bière belge et meilleur. Et meilleur avec un E correspond à l'adjectif Vanessa travaille mieux que Valérie. Nous avons ici le comparatif irrégulier, mieux. On ne peut pas dire un ou au pluriel mauvais avec la sup de Valérie ou le caractère de Charlotte est pire que celui de Valérie. Enfin,
okay, you can see here peer form, peer is worse. Okay, plus mauvais, more bad. More bad is peer. Okay, Valerie a mauvais character. Valerie has a bad character. Okay, bad nature. So la character Charlotte is bien pire que celle de Valerie. The character of Charlotte is okay more worse. More worse is worse than the character of the nature of the Valerie. Okay, plus mauvais, more bad. More bad is pire, which is worse. Okay.
Canada, pratiquement 10 millions de kilomètres carrés, avec la superficie de la France, 643 000 kilomètres carrés. Et je vais comparer ces deux superficies. Je vais dire le Canada est beaucoup plus vaste que la France. Je viens.
Okay, you can see here the comparative form. Le Canada est beaucoup plus vaste que la France. Canada is more vast. Canada is beaucoup plus vast, very much vast. Okay, very much vast than the France. So they are using beaucoup also. Okay, beaucoup plus, which is more excessive form. Okay. So I think time is also over now for the class. Okay, so you can watch this video. Okay, at your home. Do you want if I share this link? Are you interested to see
Yes,
this
sir.
video? Watch this
Yes,
video?
sir.
Okay. So I will share
Yes,
it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, I just wanted to know that when are we going to have the internals for French? Because for other subjects we have got our date.
No, it is not confirmed yet. The university is implementing a lot of things there for FPL, and they are still in process. So they have not just confirmed. Okay, how they are implementing the things. So you will be informed. You will inform for the same.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, but the thing is, one internal is in our hand. Okay, I will be giving something. Okay, for internal, and second thing, the universities will be giving you the because we have already prepared the multiple choice based questions. Okay, on each topic, so you will have your assessment. Okay, assessment topic wise. Okay, topic wise internal assessment that the university will be conducting. Okay, on a platform, there is a platform Amigo. Have you heard this platform ever?
Yes,
From
sir, it
university
is there on
side?
the My
Amigo.
Courses.
Sorry.
Yes, sir, it is. Sir, it is present on the Amazon in My Courses.
Yes, for more courses. Are you able to access this platform?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because Pratyush, what courses you can see it on Amigo?
So for professional ethics and for French.
But did you check on for French? It's the things are visible. Material is visible to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pratyush has checked, and the other students, Kunal, Devam,
Sir,
Jantika, Mehak, have you checked it?
sir, on my Amazon, it is showing French twice.
French?
It is visible where we are.
Yes, you can check it now, and there is assessment also topic wise. Okay. Okay, but the things have to be clarified for the internal because university has not confirmed it. Okay, but you will have to check Amigo platform for your further practice. Okay, because these are just tutorial. Okay, and they will just they will be really increase your level. Okay, okay. So that's all for the session. Merci à vous. Thank you. Merci pour votre attention. Thanks for your attention. Et bien the fou et au revoir, goodbye. Et à la semaine prochaine. Ok, à la semaine prochaine. À samedi prochain. Ok, à samedi prochain. See you on the next Friday. Next Saturday.
Merci, Professor.
Au revoir. Goodbye.
Merci
Bye-bye.
beaucoup, sir.
Merci,
Et bon weekend. Have a good weekend.
Merci
Merci,
beaucoup.
Professor.